let's see. Nihilus economy. Maybe harmful or traumatizing. Ah, I can handle it. I hope. See you later, Metalhead. Thanks for watching. You sure you want to leave already, Wheat Metalhead? Now, this is reminding me of Spite a little bit. Indian? Are you Indian? I don't think they're Indian. could be. Okay. Oh, it's your band. It's your own band? Sweet. So the political stuff going on with this in this video, it reminds me a lot of 8.6 Blackout by Disembodied Tyrant. Did they influence you in any way? I like this though. We have a big breakdown coming up, I think. The unclean vocals give me very strong Spite vibes. You have to be honest, the clean vocals are probably my least favorite part of the song. But it's still acceptable. I think I'm still gonna look up this song, your band, in general. That little riff there in the background. That was very good. Sorely mistaken. Very good job. I mean, I would love to check it out on my own. I mean, you might also want me to check it out together with you on stream. It's your call. If you don't care, then I think I'll just you'll be back. Fine. I'll make sure to write down this song though. This might very well be playlist worthy because I very much enjoyed that. But then I'll make sure to save the other ones for later streams. Nihilus economy. Yeah, very good stuff.